Hey y'all, this week we got the big green egg fired up and we're gonna do some boneless, skinless turkey breast. So you can see here we got two. This turkey breast here is quite larger than this one. We're gonna do these, we're gonna season them two different ways. This one we're gonna go with Killer Hogs, the TX, the brisket rub. That's the only thing we're putting on this one. On this bigger one, we're gonna use the TX along with the barbecue rub. So we're just gonna go ahead and I'm going liberally on this. Is a big piece of meat. And we're gonna give it a good coat, all sides. These are gonna cook at about 300 degrees. It's probably gonna take about an hour, hour and 15 minutes for this small guy, a little bit longer for that big one. Just gonna give it a good pat in. Hit that other side. This is really nice and coarse. This is gonna make great turkey sandwiches. It's gonna go good with the way this is seasoned. So we're gonna take these to about 150. We're gonna wrap them in foil with some butter. Take them the rest of the way up to about 162 and then pull them. So we're going first with TX on this one. And again, if you wanted to try to cook these with the skin on, as fast as these breasts cook, you're not gonna get a lot of rendering of the fat underneath that skin, so it's gonna be kind of mushy, chewy. It's not gonna have that real crispy feel. So I always take it off. If you got a better method to cook turkey breast with the skin on that it gets crispy, let us know, we'll give it a try. So we're just gonna come back across the light coat of this, the barbecue rub. It's gonna give it a beautiful color. Nice even coat. We're gonna come across the top. I'm gonna let this sweat in for about 15 minutes. We got our egg running, again, about 300 degrees. Little pecan chunks in there. Just a little bit of smoke on these. Once these set up, we'll show you what they look like when we put them on. So if you're looking for turkey breasts like this, you can pick these up at the butcher shop, Kevin Green down in Pensacola, Florida. You can order them online from him. Those are excellent. We pick these up at Restaurant Depot here locally, and they also carry them at US Foods. They work great for Thanksgiving because you're not dealing with a whole turkey. When you're prepping these birds, try out this ultimate brine kit from How to Barbecue Right. I'll show you what comes in it. We're going to be doing a video here coming up using this kit. So what you get with it is Malcolm's bird brine. So everything you need to do to brine a turkey and a chicken or chicken. You got his King Crawl, which is his Cajun rub. And you got his AP, his all-purpose rub, salt, pepper, garlic. And then along with that comes your brining bags. So you could fit, probably a 25-pound turkey in this thing. So easy cleanup. Once you're done brining it, drain it out, throw it away. This kit works really well. You can pick it up at How to Barbecue Right, or you can click the link below in our video. Give it a try. You'll see a video coming out here in the next couple weeks using this kit. Okay, we're gonna get these guys on our big green egg. Again, we're running about 300 degrees. Just gonna set these, and you wanna place these on your smoker how you want them to cook. So we're gonna shape them up how we want them to finish. And again, like any of our other recipes, if you wanted to do this in your oven, if you wanted to do this on a Weber kettle, a pellet smoker, or even an offset, same recipe. Times are going to be a little bit different, but we'd be running at the same temperature on all of the cooking devices. So we're going to close this up. We're going to come back and check in about 45 minutes, see how they look. You can see these things are looking pretty. We're about an hour in on these. This smaller turkey breast is sitting right now at 125. So we got a little ways to go yet, but they look good. This one has beautiful color, which I would expect. You can see it's already tacked up, dry, not coming off. So we're gonna let these guys ride. We got a little bit more to go before we wrap them up. Okay, we are at the temp we want to wrap these turkey breasts at. We're sitting at about 155. I'm gonna bring these, I'm gonna wrap them, and we're just gonna bring them up to probably about 162 and pull them off and let them rest. So we got some pats of butter down here, and we're gonna lay this the high side down. Just going to give this a good wrap up. them sides all tucked in so you don't lose that juice. We're going right back on just like that. To finish it off, it's probably only going to be about another 15 minutes. So we're going to do the same thing with this one. Just lay out your pats of butter. Got this one here. That thing is gorgeous. Gonna lay this one down right on top. Do the same thing, give it a fold over. Right back on. I'm gonna put a probe in this one because it's a little bit bigger. You can see we're at 156 right now on this one. Again, we're gonna go 160, 162. Pull them off, leave them rest. We'll slice them up and show you how they turned out. Okay, we have hit temp on these turkey breasts. As you can hear, just shut off. We're gonna pull these guys off and just let them rest. Probably give them about, I don't know, maybe a half hour tops. Too damn hungry to wait any longer. I'm gonna close this up, shut this down, let these rest. We're gonna slice them up and show you how they look. Okay, we're gonna unwrap our turkey breasts. See how we did here? This is the one with just the TX on it. Look at that thing glisten. Juice is pouring out of it. Oh yeah. You gonna save that juice? We're gonna save all this. Grab this one that has the AP, or excuse me, not the AP, the barbecue rub, the TX. See how pretty that is. Okay, we're gonna slice this guy up. You can make these as thick or as thin as you'd like. We're going to go ahead and slice up this one with just TX on it. And this would make for some amazing sandwiches right here. Turkey sliders, turkey club,
turkey gumbo,
turkey salad, turkey gumbo. So there we are, turkey breast 2 ways. Okay, we're going to go ahead and try our turkey breast. See which one we like best. So we got this one here that had the barbecue rub and the TX on it. Yeah, Miss Michelle here to help me taste test which one she thinks is the better of the two. Nice and juicy, isn't it?
Juicy. Good.
We'll pull out one of these that just had the TX on it. Look at the juice in that thing, y'all.
Oh,
nice.
smoke ring.
Yep, nice little smoke ring on it. Freaking tender. Try that one. I tell you what, I really like the one with just straight TX the best. It fits more with the turkey. Got a nice pepper pop on it, but both of them are excellent. Both of these would be great for holiday sandwiches. If you want to make some sliders up for a party, this would be a great option. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. And if you haven't already, check out some of our other turkey videos and get you some of that.
We're both very good.
I wouldn't kick either one of them out of bed for eating crackers.
But I think this one, like, if you want to use leftovers in like different types of recipes, this would be the better way to go.
You think?